Hello class 7th. Again I am KN Mishra, your science teacher. Welcome all of you in online classes of your school, that is Little Flowers School. Class, at present we are studying nutrition in plants. Before today's online class, I have told you about saprotrophic nutrition. Saprotrophic nutrition. I think yesterday I have told you about mushrooms. Fungi is an example of saprotroph, and fungi grows on dead and decay organic material. याद आ रहा है? अभी कल की बात है, कल हमने आपको बताया था कि all saprotrophs grow on dead and decay organic material. They don't have chlorophyll, and because of this reason they are not looking green in color. Clear? I have also told you that mushrooms are the best examples of fungi. Mushrooms are edible. Mushrooms are of two types. One is umbrella shaped mushroom and second one is button shaped mushroom. दोनों आप लोग देखे होंगे. Now today I want to discuss one new topic, that is symbiosis. Symbiosis. What is symbiosis? Symbiosis आपकी बुक में लिखा हुआ है, there are some other organism which live together and share shelter and nutrition. Some organism live together and share their shelter and nutrition to each other, to both partners, and both partners are mutually benefited also in case of saprotrophs. ऐसे नहीं समझ में आएगा. एक एग्जाम्पल आपको बताते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you have heard the name of algae. I think algae are very small plants. They can do photosynthesis because they are green in color. They are having chlorophyll inside them. And fungi, they don't have chlorophyll inside them. They are not autotrophic. They are saprotrophs in nature. Clear? When algae living in association with fungi, means algae plus fungi, then they are known as lichens. And lichens are examples of symbiosis. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है लाइकेन के केस में? एक ऑटोट्रॉफिक प्लांट और एक सैप्रोट्रॉफिक प्लांट्स एक साथ रह रहे हैं, और यहाँ पे शर्त यह है कि दोनों पार्टनर्स का म्यूचुअल बेनिफिट होना चाहिए. तो एल्गी क्या करती है? फोटोसिंथेसिस करके प्रिपेयर्ड फूड मटेरियल प्रोवाइड करती है फंजाई को, और तो इस तरीके से फंजाई का बेनिफिट होता है. और फंजाई से एल्गी का कैसे बेनिफिट होता है? फंजाई के पास ट्रू रूट्स नहीं होते. दे डोंट हैव ट्रू रूट्स. एट द प्लेस ऑफ रूट दे आर हैविंग a special thing which is known as rhizoid. rhizoids. They don't have true root, true stem or true leaves, but at the place of root they are having root like structures which are known as rhizoids. With the help of these rhizoids, fungi used to suck nutrients, used to suck minerals, and provide these minerals to algae for the purpose of photosynthesis. So fungi helps algae by providing nutrients, by providing minerals for the purpose of photosynthesis. and algae provide prepared food material by the process of photosynthesis to fungi. So here both partners are mutually benefited. When both partners are mutually benefited, then such combination is known as symbiosis, and combination of algae and fungi is known as lichen. I think all of you clearly understood about this. One more example I want to give you. You have heard the name of mycorrhiza, I think. mycorrhiza. जैसे लाइकेन एक वर्ड है, वैसे ही एक वर्ड है mycorrhiza स्टूडेंट्स. अब mycorrhiza क्या है? mycorrhiza is association of higher plant with fungi. Association of higher plant with fungi. Here I think mycorrhiza is also written here, I think. Lichen is written here. You can see very easily in your book. Symbiotic relationship. Lichens. Lichens are combination of algae and fungi. It is written in your book also. Clear? Open this page and revise it very carefully about lichens. This is called symbiosis, written here. This is called symbiosis. Now about mycorrhiza, I want to tell you, I think mycorrhiza is not written here, but it is the best example of symbiosis also. Mycorrhiza is association of higher plants and algae or fungi. When algae or fungi live in the roots of higher plant, then such association is called mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza is also an example of symbiosis, and lichen is also an example of symbiosis. This is all about symbiosis, students. Now few more lines are remaining in this chapter. After that this chapter is completed. Students, revise the taught pages today very thoroughly. This is your homework. क्लास आप लोग होमवर्क नहीं कर रहे हैं. कल हमने होमवर्क में आपको डायग्राम ड्रॉ करने के लिए दिया था, लेकिन ओनली 3 students shared their diagram on my personal number. Class, this is all for today. Stay home, be safe. Thank you.